Hello, and welcome to this video that will show you how to know if the sun has come up. It's a very tricky question this time around, but we'll get to the bottom of it, I'm sure, so don't worry about that. How to know if the sun has come up? To answer this question, we first have to know what the sun is. Now, based on memory, I'm pretty sure the sun is some kind of ball thing, and it allows us to see where we are going, and you can also get a suntan from it. Without the sun, we would be forced to use sunbeds permanently, and that is not an effective way of getting a suntan in my opinion. So we've now established exactly what the sun is and all of its uses. Now we need to know if the sun has come up. Well, if you're anything like me, then you'll probably spend around maybe 24-25 hours a day in your room, and things can get a little bit disorientating because you cannot always tell if the sun is up or not, but there is a key method that you can use in order to determine it. Windows. Yes, through trial and error, I have discovered that windows can actually help you see outside and determine whether the sun is up or not. So what you're going to want to do is to try and locate a window in your room. If you don't have a window in your room, then you may want to try a different room. Now, through many difficult and long hours, I have actually managed to find a window in this room. Can you believe it? It happens to be directly behind this blind. So let's see, using this window technique, whether the sun is up or whether it is down. Let's have a look. We need to get to the window first. That's tricky in itself. As you can see, it is dark outside, and that means, if I'm correct, that the sun is not up. But if we wait a few minutes, the sun should come out. That's how long it takes for the sun to come out. So let's just give that a go. Come on. Don't have all day. Why isn't the sun coming out? Still dark. Oh, it could be because it is cloudy. Maybe it's cloudy and the clouds are blocking the sun. So maybe we just need to wait an extra few minutes for the clouds to move on, and then it should be bright. Let's see. Didn't think it was going to take this long, to be honest. There we go. The sun is out now. You can tell because it is a bit lighter outside, and you can actually see outside as well. You can see things. So that's a good indicator of sun. But the final test will be to determine whether you get a suntan or not. Let's see. Oh yes. Yes, I'm getting a suntan. I can assure you of that. The sun is definitely out. Look at the colour on this! And that completes the tutorial on how to determine whether the sun is up. I hope this works for you and your sun when you try this yourself. I'm going to go now and test exactly how fast the sun goes up and down. So I'll catch you all later. See you. Let's find out once and for all. Still dark at the moment, I can report. Don't think the sun's up just yet. Still dark. Taking a bit longer than I thought it was going to, I have to admit. Why is it so dark outside? Where's the sun? Oh, this is getting ridiculous. I don't have time to wait for the sun Where is it? Maybe it's down there somewhere. No, I can't see it anywhere. I'll wait a bit longer. I'm a patient person. Ow. Oh, forget it. This is a waste of my life.